Hey guys, so this is my office space. This is where all my magic happens. It is in the attic of my house, so this is sort of like my quiet space. Not so quiet because Zara is always in here with me anyways. So yeah, this is my camera setup. I use the Sony A7 III with the Taxter microphone. They go hand in hand. They are a great pair. I'll leave the link in the description. I use an 85mm lens, but I'm not sure where my husband got this lens from. It's a Canon lens, and it's perfect for my videos. You will see the lens more in my coming videos, the videos I'm going to upload going forward. So you may just see how it looks, right? So this tripod is the same as that one, and I got them both from Amazon. They cost me less than $30 each. So if you want those, I'll leave the link in the description. This light is the bomb, ladies and gentlemen. People, this light is so good. My husband just got me this light off of Amazon, and I cannot tell you how much goodness it is and how it just lights up my set and my office space. You could see how bright this is. This light is gorgeous. Over here is my vision board slash teaching board slash study board. That's why I just put all my stuff. I'm not going to show that now because there are some sensitive information there. These two pair, I got them from Amazon, and they are powerful. These lights will work without power, but I always leave them plugged in because, I mean, why not? So that in case I have to shoot out and I need them one day, the battery will still be full and just keep me will serve me longer, right? So that's why I always keep them plugged in, and I'll show you how bright these two lights are single-handedly. That's just that, and see how bright it is. You could stand it up just like I did here, like a tripod, and you could do it just like this, however you want. These lights are portable, they are bright, and they are sharp. And they're cheap also. So this is what the two lights feel like. And if I turn this off right now, this is how it looks. So you can see how bright it is. So I'm going to turn both of them off. So over here where the magic happens, this is my office space. This is my chair. I got this chair from Walmart. I was in the search for a chair that will be comfortable because I have a lot of back pain and I sit a lot when I'm working. So getting this chair was so amazing, and it was so super cheap. I think it was less than, I'm not sure if this chair was about $70-something now, but it was definitely less than $100. The mat and the fluffy thing I have there, I got them a couple of years ago from eBay. I'm not sure if I can pull up the link now, but if I can, I'll leave them in the description. I got them for my baby's birth shoot, and I've used them, but I have no use for them anymore. And since they are white, and I love white, as you can tell, I decided to cup them and bring them into my office space. Right here on my desk, I usually have my computer right there in the middle, but I'm working downstairs. I was working downstairs before I came here, so my computer is definitely not there. But this is what is usually on my table. This is a wife, mom, and boss set of pens. I love them because they have this gold and pinkish feel to it. So that's definitely why I love it. Yeah, I have the remote to this light. So I got this lights in a pair from Amazon, and this remote works for the light. The lights came with a set of 3 batteries, but I try to turn them off when I'm not here. You could change whatever, you could change the colors, you could change whatever you want to change. I love this light so much because they had like a wonderful feel to my office space. So I'm going to turn them off now. This is my set of crystals. I love these crystals. I just love crystals because they are natural, they are God-made, and they are gorgeous. Okay, so this frame here, that has a lot of pictures, was gotten from Ross, the same place I got the pack of pens from. They cost me less than $20. I love them so much, and of course I love the letters that came with them. So yeah, I love it. I printed these pictures on the frame of my printer here. I got this printer off a lady that was moving for like $20. This printer is wireless. It has a fax machine. It has a scanner. It has a photocopy. This printer is like super great. I could just print from downstairs and I come here to pick them up effortlessly, and it cost me only $20. So you're gonna probably pay a lot more for the ink. Of course, inks are usually more expensive, but this is an HP OfficeJet 4680 all-in-one printer. It is amazing, guys, trust me. These frames, these gold frames I have here, were gotten for $1 each from dollar store. I love those frames. They're gold, they're good, they're sturdy. I've had them for over a year now. They are so great. I got this thing-ish from Walmart because it sort of looked like my logo, so I love it so much. It was gotten from Walmart for less than $20, I believe. The beer was from a book that my daughter has. I just snagged it and put it here because I love it. This was gotten from Motor Beach. This globe was gotten from Amazon. Yes, my husband got me this globe with the light and this bookshelf, and I think it cost less than $200 for everything. So this globe is about $30-something. The light is about $30-something, but I think this bookshelf cost a little more. I'll talk about the bookshelf just in a minute. I got my collection of Hell magazines here. I have a subscription plan with Hell, so I just decorated my office with a couple of those magazines. Coming down, just books I have at home. That stationery was gotten from Ross, the same place I got this, and this pack of pens. That was the pineapple was also gotten from Ross, and I think that's about all. So let's come to the king of it all, which is this bookshelf. I love this bookshelf because it was super fast to fix. It was super fast to put together. I think it took my husband about 30 minutes also to put this together. But I want to give you something, but I want to say something quickly about this. It was so heavy. It weighed about 75 pounds. Yes, the wood is good quality. It is heavy. So if you don't have any help, I want to encourage you buy this because you may not be able to lift it, or you may just break your back in the process. I cannot lift 75 pounds, so it was impossible for me. I had to, of course, move in with my husband. So you want to take note of that. The chair, it was super easy for me to put together. It took me like 5 minutes, if not less, to just screw everything back. So this chair is sturdy and it was easy to put together. I think that's about it. This light-ish thing, it brings light, and my husband just had me put them here because it just looks good. So when I'm recording videos, I just put on the lights because there's no such thing as too much light anyways. But I don't know where I got that from. I think it's I'm not sure where I got that from anyways. But guys, this is the tour of my office. I hope you love the store. I'm not sure how well you like it, but I did my best and I gave you a full tour of every single place and every single thing in my office. Well, if you love this video, please go to the subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and of course, like this video. Let me know in the comment section, have you taken time to decorate your own office space? Do you have an home office space? Do you want to have an home office space? What is your budget? Let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.